talk, say, tell, speak. Do you know how to use them correctly? Don't worry, it's totally fine to find these words confusing. Stick around till the end of this video to master using them. I'm Mina and I'm proud to have you here. I'd like to start with talk and speak. First, what is the past form of these verbs? Talk, talked. Speak, spoke. Here's the interesting fact. These two verbs are synonyms and you can usually swap them. However, there is a slight difference. We typically use the verb talk when engaging in casual and informal conversation, often followed by about to specify the topic. For example, I talk about the party. On the other hand, we use the verb speak in more formal situations, talking about something more general, serious, or professional. Also, it's important to note that speak is used when referring to languages. For example, I speak English, Italian, or any other languages. I know you need more examples to completely understand. Okay, imagine you're discussing your plans for the weekend. You might say, I talked about my weekend plans. Yes, talking about my plans. Casual, informal topic, perfect for chatting with friends. Now, picture yourself confidently addressing a conference audience. You'd say, I spoke confidently at a conference. Yes, speaking expresses a formal setting where you have to be professional. Let me give you more examples to clarify more. For example, she talked about her hobbies with enthusiasm. Here, talking about hobbies is an everyday conversation. Conversely, if you're giving a presentation at work, you'd use speak. He speaks accurately during business meetings. So, keep in mind, use speak in more formal and serious situations and talk in your informal conversations. Of course, you can use them interchangeably, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect every time. And now let's shift our focus to reporting verbs, tell and say. They play a crucial role in our conversation as they are used to convey information or speech. Reporting verbs such as tell and say are used to give information or report what someone else has said. They are like messengers, conveying messages from one person to another. Before talking about their usage, let's look at past forms. Tell, in the past, told. Say, said. And here where things get interesting. While both verbs are irregular, they have distinct functions. We use the verb tell to convey specific information or instruction to someone. It's crucial to include a name or a pronoun after the verb tell. I tell my mom what my favorite book is. Here, tell is used to pass specific information to a specific person. Like, I tell my students to do their homework. I tell them to do their homework. So, tell is always followed by the receiver of the information, whether it's a name or pronoun. In contrast, we use the verb say to express something using words and phrases without necessarily conveying information to a specific person. Look at these two examples. Did he tell you something? Did he say something? In the first question, the verb tell is used because a specific information is conveyed to a person, you. In the second question, we use say because we are just asking if there were any information given without addressing to a specific person. So, tell is used for giving more specific information to a person. It is always followed by a noun or pronoun. Meanwhile, say is more general, used for expressing words or phrases. Now let's put your knowledge into a quick test. Five questions will appear on the screen, each with a blank. You'll have 10 seconds to think and choose the correct verb. Talk, tell, say, or speak. Number 1. He always blank interesting stories. Number 2. We blank about our favorite movies. Number 3. She blank me. She was going on vacation. Number 4. He blank. He would be late. Number 5. She blank her friend about the concert. Let's give a chance to this sentence too. She blank confidently during the presentation. How did you do? Don't worry if you found it challenging. Learning takes practice and you're doing a great job. Thank you all for watching and participating in today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. I encourage you to practice using these verbs in your own sentences and share them in comments below. Until next time, keep studying and improving your English. Bye-bye.